Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If your school is planning to participate in Young India Culinary Championship YICC 26-27, then this is an important update you should not miss. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by Cbse on 23rd July 2026 with the subject webinar regarding Cbse Young India Culinary Championship 26-27. So Cbse is going to organize a webinar, and as you know, this competition is open for all the students studying in classes 6 to 12. So let's see first webinar detail. So this webinar will be conducted today, which is 29 July from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and this is the YouTube link. I have already added this link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. You can also scan this QR code and go to that YouTube webinar. Who should attend this webinar? So head of the school means principal, school teachers, and all the students who are interested to participate in this competition should attend this webinar. And if you have any doubt, you can contact on this email ID drpujaakshay.cbse@gmail.com. Now let's see few more detail about this Young India Culinary Championship which you should know. So the first detail, this championship is in two categories. Category 1 is for student of classes 6 to 8 and category 2 is for student of 9 to 12, and it will be conducted in three different labels. First label will be internal at school level only. Then second, it will be regional level. Two teams from each category will be going to regional level, and then final will be the national level. Then here again that same thing, that school level category 2 are there, 6 to 8 and 9 to 12. This competition in school level, it will be 60 minutes for category 1 and 90 minutes for category 2. Regional level, 4 venues are there: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Again same category, and both the teams and both the category will be getting 90 minutes each. Then national level will be conducted in Chandigarh, and category 1 will get 90 minutes and category 2 will get 120 minutes to each team. Next, let us see level 1 school level competitions. Few guidelines, like first, eligibility. It is open to all the regular students of that particular school. Then nomination form should be signed with NOC by parents or guardian is compulsory. So especially those team which are selected for regional level, at least you should get their nomination form with NOC by parent. Then material required, hygiene prohibited, like semi cooking, semi furnished, finished product are not permitted. Then dress code should be your proper school uniform, apron or chef coat, head cover are required. So this is for label 1. For label 1 category 1 6 to 8, they are going to make any one dish, either salad, sandwich or canapé. Remember, fire cooking is not allowed for this category. Category 1 is not allowed to use. And what ingredient they can use, like bread, vegetable, fruit, dairy product, savory mix. And they need to prepare 2 portions, one for display and one for judging. And school should provide them with work table and sink. Category 2, they are going to make one main course dish. They can be modern, western or Asian or Indian, regional or classical. Remember, there is a restriction, no non-vegetarian item should be allowed, is strictly prohibited. They are also going to make 2 portions, one for display and one for judging. And facility, they should get burner, work table, sink, cooking unit as well as oven, because for category 2 fire is allowed, fire cooking is allowed, and they will be getting 90 minutes which involve both preparation plus presentation. Then this is the assessment rubric, like taste, flavor and aroma 30 marks, texture 30 marks, hygiene and food safety 10 marks, nutrition or ingredient choice 10 marks, creativity 10 marks, workplace organization and waste control also 10 marks. So totally 100 marks. Then level 2 regional level will be conducted at three venues: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Then this is the guideline for regional level, that winners of school level only can participate in regional level. 2 students per team. So 2 category are there, totally 4 students. So category 1 2 student and category 2 2 student. Venues as already informed, these are the 4 venue. Participants of school should arrange their own travel and lodging. Then raw material, basic equipment will be provided by the organizer. You need to submit the item list 15 days in advance or before competition. Jury decision is final. And there is same salad, sandwich or canopy and 1 Indian savory dish. For regional level category 1, no fire cooking and work table and sink will be provided. Then category 2, 1 starter and 1 main course. Cuisine can be of modern, Western, Asian or Indian. Non-vegetarian is not allowed. Burner, work table, sink and oven will be provided. 2 portion of each dish. Then national level, it will be conducted in Chandigarh. When exact venue they have not informed where they will be conducting. And this is the instruction for category 1. They are going to make any 1 dish from this category, salad, sandwich, canopy, as well as they need to prepare 1 cold dessert. Again same, no fire cooking, same facilities. Ingredient allowed is bread, vegetable, fruit, dairy and savory mixture and 2 portion of each dish. For category 2, they are going to make 3 course menu, 1 starter, 1 main course and 1 dessert. As you can see, it's increasing level wise. In a school level they had to prepare only 1 dish, in regional level 2 and in national level 3 for category 2 I am talking about. And same thing, no vegetarian food is allowed. Burner, work table, sink, cooking unit will be given. Proper garnishing required on all dishes. Then here few SOPs are there, that you need to have prior planning of venue, equipment and ingredient. Safety protocol should be followed, especially for 9 to 12. Then maintain hygiene, use fresh, safe and quality ingredient, adhere to time limit and Cbse guideline, ensure fair and transparent evaluation, encourage teamwork, creativity and responsible resource use. First aid facility and basic emergency support should be ready. And don'ts are: do not allow fire or heating appliances for 6 to 8. Do not permit unsafe handling of sharp tool or heat resource. Avoid stale, unhygiene or unsafe food ingredient. Do not allow external assistance during competition. Avoid food wastage and improper waste disposal. Do not deviate from prescribed rule or avoid overcrowding around cooking area. So these are the SOP all schools should follow during the competition. And here they have given the description of key item like salad, sandwich and canopy. Then there is the final: cook, create and compete. So if your school or you are interested to participate in Young India Culinary Championship 26-27, do not miss this opportunity. If you found this update useful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with your principal, teacher, colleague and student, and subscribe to our channel for latest Cbse circular, teacher update, recruitment notification and more. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.